How do you track your affiliates right now? Spreadsheets, multiple tools? If that's your workflow, I've got news for you. You're probably missing insights and losing time. It's time to fix that. Fluent Affiliate gives you all the numbers you need in one clean, simple dashboard. It's super easy to spot how much you've already paid your affiliates and what's still waiting to go out. You can also see which affiliates are active right now and get a quick idea of how many visits your affiliates have brought in. If you're someone who likes to see the broader picture, you can easily check total referrals, track conversion rates, spot pending affiliates, and measure total order value. Everything's displayed clearly so you can act fast, make better decisions, and keep your program performing at its best. So over on the right side, you can watch recent referrals stack up in real time. And just below this one, see a list of your top performing affiliates saying hi. Need to check the growth in real time? The growth overview visually showcases all the referrals, visits, and affiliates together. And the best part? You can toggle each one on or off with a single click. Okay, let's say you only want to see last week's performance. No problem. The built-in filters let you pick any time frame in one click, and the data updates instantly. In case you need more precise data, you can also pick your preferred date with ease. Now, let's take a closer look at the tabs that make managing your affiliates super quick and easy. Starting with affiliates. Here, you can see all your affiliates, whether they're active, pending approval, or inactive. Adding a new affiliate is right on your dashboard. And referrals keep every referral neatly organized. Unpaid, paid, pending, or rejected. It's all there. Alright, so next up is the payout. Paying affiliates has never been easier. View your payout history and send funds directly from this tab, keeping everyone happy and motivated. With Fluent Affiliate, you don't need to switch platforms to check the visits. To provide you with a detailed view of all affiliate traffic, it's all up for you. Together, these tabs create a comprehensive dashboard, giving you complete visibility over all of your affiliate data. That's Fluent Affiliate for you. So if you're ready to grow your program, make data-driven decisions, and stay on top of every affiliate interaction, then it's time to try Fluent Affiliate. Go grab Fluent Affiliate today and take your affiliate program to the next level before that lifetime deal disappears.